Oppo and Vivo that belong to BBK Electronics have recently launched Oppo R15, R15 Dream Mirror, Oppo F7, Vivo X21, and Vivo V9 smartphones with Knotch Display design. Hence, the rumor mill has been speculating that the OnePlus brand that belongs to BBK Electronics will be also arriving with a Knotch Display. An image of the OnePlus 6 that has been released by none other than Carl Bay, the co-founder of OnePlus, confirms that it will be arriving with a notched screen. The Sharp Aquos S2 and the Essential phone were the first smartphones to arrive with notched display. According to Pay, the presence of a notch on the OnePlus 6 will provide its users with more screen space. Compared to all the predecessor OnePlus phones, the OnePlus 6 will be offering the highest screen-to-body ratio of 90%. Also, it won't be resembling the Oppo R15 series, as some rumors have been claiming, according to Pay. As for the specs, the OnePlus 6 would be arriving with Snapdragon 845 chipset and 6GB of RAM. OnePlus 6 will feature a strange 19:9 ratio. This could be the base model, with 64GB of storage. The higher variant may feature 8GB of RAM. A recent leak had revealed that the highest configuration model of OnePlus May 6 feature 256GB of storage. It may house a 3450 mAh battery. The Carl Pay claims that the notch on the OnePlus 6 will be packed with a selfie camera, an earpiece, notification LED, proximity, and ambient sensors. The notch will be smaller than iPhone X, since it won't be housing structured light, like the Face ID. He has revealed that the OnePlus 6 notch measures 7.687mm. An image of the OnePlus 6 that was recently leaked by Evan Blass had revealed that the handset would be arriving with a 3.5mm audio jack, USB-C port, and an external speaker grill. The back panel of the phone would be featuring a vertically stacked dual-camera setup and a fingerprint reader. He may also added that the company has manually tested 1,000 apps from Google Play Store to check how the notch appears on different apps. OnePlus is shifting the position of the clock towards the left side of the display to provide more space for status icons. The device will be disguising the notch while playing a video on the phone to deliver notch-free viewing experience. Also, the handset will be also supporting gesture-based inputs. For more video like this, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching guys. See you guys next one.